Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Molly. Today we're going to make a very cute handbag, and I've already cut my canvas, and these are the parts. So for the bigger part, which will also be the flap, it measures 8.5 inches by 12 inches, and then the front part measures 8.5 inches by 6 inches, and then this will be the base, and it also measures 8.5 inches by 2.5 inches. And then for the sides measure 2.5 inches by 6 inches. We will begin by working the triangles at the base. Each triangle covers a total of 13 grids if you're using the same measurement as mine, and then we'll work the triangle on the side. So get your lighter and burn the end of your yarn to make it pointy. You can use a darning needle or a tapestry needle if you prefer that. Yeah, but for me this is a bit easier. So go into the first grid from the bottom and leave a few inches and secure it at the back, and then go into the second grid, this pattern is not very complicated if you're keen enough, so just follow what I'm doing. If you're not getting it, you can pause the video and rewind it back and start working again. If this is your first time, it might take a few trials to get it right, so if you don't get it right, just undo everything and start again until it's perfect. Since we are working with 13 grids, we're going to work upwards 6 grids, and then the 7th one will be the highest, and then we'll start working our way down so that we can form a triangle. Working with polyester yarn requires a lot of patience, so just make sure you align the yarn very well. It has to be perfect so that your bag can turn out perfect also. So make sure the yarn is not lying on top of each other, but it's straight. We now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So the 7th one will be the peak of the triangle. So next we start reducing while going down. the triangle is almost complete. So the last grid we are working is we're going to count it as the first grid for the next triangle. So the 13th grid will be the first grid for the next triangle. So let's work on the second one. We have one more triangle to go, so keep working, and you need to ensure that all triangles are in one line. We still have a piece of yarn left, so we're going to work on the next triangle, which will be on this side, and the next one will be a square. So from the side count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and then pass your yarn from the bottom because that is where we finished. To avoid having a big gap between the triangles, we'll be working on the same grids we worked for the last triangle, right here. as you can see, this pattern is a repetition of triangles and squares. So we're going to have another square here, and the last one will be a triangle. So repeat that for the rest of the grids. This is what I do to attach the end together when I run out. So I just band the ends and attach it. So polyester yarn burns like the same way plastic burns. So just burn it a little bit and make sure it's secure and it won't come apart. Just like that, and you're good to go. So continue working. So the part that has buns is going to be the inside of the bag, and you don't need to worry about that because we are going to add a lining so it won't show. Keep working till you get to the end of the grids. For the front part, we're going to work it the same way we did the main part of the bag. We'll begin with the triangles at the base. So it's just a repetition of what we've already done. Grab your yarn and just repeat the same thing we did for the other part. If you still find it confusing, just go back to the beginning of the video and work this part out. Also for this part, the triangles are going to cover 13 grids. So you work your way up. When you get to the 7th, work your way down, just like that until you fill up the entire canvas. The base and the sides are going to be worked out the same way. So for the base and the sides, we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11 grids. That means we are going to work 5 grids up, and then the 6th one will be the highest, and then work 5 grids down. Then next we'll work the triangle on the sides, and then the square in the middle. This is what I mean. So we'll start by the triangle at the base, and then the triangles on the sides and the square in the middle. This is both for the base of the bag and the sides. It's going to be worked out the same way. to work the triangles on the sides, count 11 braids, and then insert your yarn there. Continue working the triangle and do the same for the other one, and then work the square. All the parts are ready now, so we're going to start by attaching the base part to the back part, which will also be the flap. So you grab your yarn and just burn it to make it pointy, then attach it, and we're going to pass to align our work. And then pass through each grid twice. So we are going into both grids, both this one and the other one, twice, all around. Like that. Just go all around, and then once you finish, you're going to attach the sides, and then we will attach the front part. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, feel free to write it in the comment section. I'll be able to reply to you. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe, like, comment, and share. I'll see you in our next tutorial. Bye.